Hello guys, this day is play challenge Sunday. Yeah, I will show them and boom, there is. That challenge is have like one row. One is never get a model snap. Yeah, and the challenge is chip lock. Yeah, 1 in 1 chip lock, and the snack round is camper. Yeah, grab the gun in a camper, and another round is a final round is 1 in 1. The who win like 5 rounds, I will kill them godly. Yeah. Let's go look him 1 in 1 now. Okay, this video is the end now. Yeah, I'm kill them godly and a gun and my knife. Yeah. I'm don't care and see you in next video. Please come subscribe for my video. Thank you.